What's cooking, Potla? Hi, I'll be making Pyaz Gosht ka Salan. It's going to be delicious and mouth-watering. You'll love it. So remember to subscribe for all the good tastes. Let's get started. First things first, we add a little bit of oil. A spoonful of ginger garlic paste, and the spices that we have today here are turmeric powder, garam masala, chilli powder, cumin powder, and coriander powder. All these have been taken at 1 tablespoon each. So let's add them one by one. This is 1 tablespoon of. We also add 3 tablespoons of yogurt, now we give all this a good mix. All the spices have been added and the meat has been mixed well. You could set it aside for about 2 hours. Let the meat absorb all the spices. The cooker is nice and hot. We would add 4 tablespoons of oil. Now we can flavor the oil with 2 bay leaves, 4 cardamoms, and a cinnamon stick. Once they say pop pop, then we can add 2 whole onions which have been chopped, 4 green chillies, and 4 pods of garlic. We give this all a good mix. We have already added all the spices in the meat, so we don't need to add more. If you feel like, you could add more depending on your spice levels. The onions have turned golden brown. Now we could add the marinated meat. Now we give this a good mix. Don't need to add any more water since the meat already has water. We can let this cook for about 4 whistles. Once that is done, then we will add the potatoes. Wow, this looks awesome. Smells delicious. Now since the meat is done, we could add the potatoes. I've used 2 whole potatoes. We could add a little bit of water so that the surface doesn't get burnt. Now we can let this cook for another 2 whistles and then it's done. It's ready to serve. Top this off with some coriander leaves. And a few cashew nuts to add to the taste. This looks awesome. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.